Right, so let's get started with the first section here. So the first place where you definitely need to go when you're stuck with any code or analysis in R is Stack Overflow, right? It's a great place to visit. If you're having trouble, you can go there and you can ask for questions, right? Don't forget to tag your questions with R, so that somebody else would have probably faced a similar issue or problem, and they would have already shared that question and the solution they found out, or someone else will definitely come in and help you with the solution to the problem that you're facing, right? So definitely go to Stack Overflow. In fact, when you start googling the issues or the troubles that you're having with R, I think the first link you generally tend to see is that of a Stack Overflow solution or question tagged with R, right? So that's the first place you go. The second place that you can go is AdBlockers, right? So it basically aggregates blogs written in English from across the globe. You can visit here and look for all the blogs contributed by different R users. So there are lots of good blog posts that come here on a wide variety of topics. So you should definitely visit our bloggers, or at least you should subscribe so that you can receive all the latest posts in your email. In fact, if you are writing a blog, you maintain a blog, then you can also add your blog to our bloggers so that you can share your blog posts with a lot of people, right? Almost worldwide, right? So visit our bloggers, look for good blog posts here. Right, so the third place that you need to visit is Twitter. The R community is very active and supportive on Twitter, and there are lots of R experts who are willing to help those who are new to R, right? So follow the #RStats hashtag, right? And you can also post anything that you have created using the RStats hashtag. And if you're asking questions, again, ensure that you have added the RStats hashtag there. And you can also follow a bunch of people who share a lot of these R related resources on Twitter, so that you'll be able to access a wide variety of resources that are available online. The fourth place that I would suggest you visit is our studio community, right? So this is similar to Stack Overflow, but you can generally sort of ask questions related to our studio or the packages that are maintained by our studio or their other offerings, right? So you can also ask general questions, but the more focused on our studio and its related products, I think there'll be folks who will be willing to answer them, right? So definitely visit our studio, that would be good. And then another place that you can visit is Reddit. Again, there are subreddits for R stats, R language, R studio, and R shiny. So again, you can ask questions here, and you can also browse through the questions that are that have been asked by others. And then there is the R for data science community. That's also a very good place. It's an online learning community, and it brings learners and mentors on a single platform, right? So I think you should go here and you should also join them. Then there is R weekly, right? So you get regular updates about the R community. You can find information about new packages, blogs, conferences, workshops, tutorials, and even jobs. And you can also subscribe here to receive the newsletter, right? So you can subscribe and you'll be able to receive the latest information about our community here. All right, so this are user groups present in several different cities across the globe, and we have added a link to the list of these our user groups, right? So if our user group is present in your city, please join that R group so that you can meet other R enthusiasts and you can share and learn together. Next place, yes. So I think we have looked at a bunch of places: the R user group, R weekly, the R4 data science learning community. Then so instead of coming to, I think, community.rstudio.com, I came to RStudio resources. This is a good place. They've got lots of webinars and other resources here. If you go to the RStudio website, you can find a bunch of resources that will be useful. And here is a community.rstudio.com. I think there was a wrong link, so I came to RStudio resources, but of course that is also a good place to look for resources that you can use. Alright, so here's the RStudio community. You can join and ask questions, and there'll be a lot of good people out there who are willing to help you and who are willing to at least give you some guidance or hints on how you can resolve the issues that you are facing, right? So you can sign up here as well. And then I think I mentioned AdBlockers and Stack Overflow. So those are places on the internet where you can visit and look for help